Good morning from the very southern tip of Sri Lanka, where I have rented a hotel room for about, I think this is $90. And it's off season, so there's almost nobody here. I went for the room with the beach front view. It's very rough though, the sea. I will take you down there in a little second. I'm just gonna show you the room first. And then I'll do a little tour of the hotel. I'll show you the pool area. This is a nature reserve. So I mean, they have elephants roaming around here. You hear them at night. You see them sometime during the day. And there are also all kinds of other animals. And I'm enjoying my stay here so far. Right now I'm doing laundry. But as soon as this dries up, we are going to go for a little tour. The reception is all the way over there. So it's almost 1 kilometer trek. But let's do the room first. This is where I've been sitting and doing the editing of the videos. Now they were just here cleaning this place, so I figured now is the best time to tour the room. It's called Jetwing Yala. And I am happy to share with you that there are things, there are treasures in the minibar. Now, I don't know why they give you 1 Coke, 1 Sprite. I mean, how about 3? How about 3 beers? How about, well, you know what? Sometimes you just have to stop asking questions. So that's what I'm gonna do. The best feature of this room, apart from the view, I must say is, oh yeah, there is a safe in here, but yeah, every hotel has that. There's also a robe, which I have yet to try on, but I will eventually. It's also a pretty good buffet here. I've had the lunch buffet, I have had the dinner buffet. And this is open air with a perfect shower head. So that was it. That was the room tour. Now we are going. Let's see, which way are we going? Which route are we going to take? I think we will go down here. There's really nothing happening. It's just, yeah, you can't swim there. You see the red flag there. The sea is very violent. Well, I mean, you can swim. I did, but I didn't dare to go out very far. I think we're going to take this route. We're going to stop by the bar in the pool. Then maybe swing by the buffet, and then we're going to go and talk to the lifeguards over there. And that's it. So join me for a little walk through the first resort I'm staying at in Yala. Ooh. Can I grab a towel? Yes. Awesome. The best time to visit here is generally when the sun is up and blazing. When it's super hot, people don't like to sit in the sun. The coolest thing about this pool, apart from the fact that nobody really uses it, this resort is kind of empty now. They do some deals and so on for Sri Lankans, locals that come here. And so on Saturday, they're pretty full here. I think they're just trying to, I mean, tourism is just rock bottom here in Sri Lanka right now. So they are just trying to generate some kind of revenue. But now during the weekday, today it is Tuesday, there is almost nobody here. So yeah, that is the second best feature of this pool. The best feature is this bar. So you can sit in the water and have a drink. Which obviously Harold approves of. Hello there, barman. Can I see the menu, please?
Yeah.
What is your best drink?
We have best drink, it's a safari.
Safari?
In the boat, yeah, it's a rum cocktail.
A round cocktail.
Yeah.
Where is it on the list?
No, in the boat.
Oh, in the boat?
Yes.
Oh, what about here? What do you make here?
Make here all drinks, cocktail, there.
Okay.
And special drink, cocktail of the day, safari. It's a two.
Ah, okay, cocktail of the day. I'm gonna go for a traditional mojito, please.
Mojito.
Yes.
Sure. Your room number, sir?
But it's made over there.
Yeah.
I'm in 335.
335.
Yes. Hold on.
Some corner room.
If
yeah?
you
Corner room.
not the last one, the second last one.
Second last
Maybe
one.
it's 334.
334, yes.
Yes, my key is over there if you wanna have a look.
Sure.
All right. So you're not making it here. You're ordering from over there.
Sorry?
Are you making it here?
Here.
How long have you been working here?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
I've noticed that it is very, very quiet.
Yes.
What is your busiest time a year?
Normally, sir, here busy weekend.
But like a time a year, December, June, like what month is your best month?
Actually, January, February, March, April, and June, July is off season. And then December and January, February start.
It picks up again. All right. So if you want to come here and be alone like me, this is the best time of year. Wow.
How enjoy.
That looks delicious. Thank you so much. Harold approves. Very good. Wow. Sit this way and enjoy the view. Well, it's gonna go down fast. No breakfast. This is my first sustenance of the day. So I was sitting there at the pool. I decided to order a hamburger. And that guy told me it's gonna take 20 minutes, which leaves me enough time to take you for a little stroll down to the beach, which is this way, through this little forest full of animals and yes, even elephants. Some of you commented that Sri Lanka have more deaths by snake bite than any other nation in the world. So I am keeping a lookout here, but I think your bigger worry, at least here, would be this: the wild elephants. By the way, as I'm walking through here, that kid who works in the reception told me some pretty interesting stories about how he got the job, and he did an internship. So I mean, he had no university, didn't study hotel and tourism. He applied at the hotel, got the job, they trained him, and that took 6 months, and now he's a bartender. So I asked about the salary. He said the base salary there is 20,000 Sri Lankan, but that is during low season. They don't make too much money during the low season. When every room there is full, he says the service charge of the rooms and all the food and everything consumed there adds up to something like 50,000 per day, which is shared amongst all the staff. So, but there's about, what did he say? Did he tell me there was 200 people working there? Something like that, which they split that 50,000. But anyway, that means that his salary goes up per day worked during high season. So anyway, here we are at this violent beach. I say violent because the waves are crazy. That's why you have lifeguards. Hello.
How are you?
All right. What is this for? Fishing?
Come on.
How's swimming today?
Today you can enjoy shallow water.
It's very strong.
Yeah, today is from melancholy.
Same like yesterday.
Yeah, same like. You can stay white whale. You see white whale up there?
Right here.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
Okay, have fun there.
Whoa. What a place. Now, here's the thing about vlogging. In order to make this a better thumbnail and a viewing experience, I actually have to turn around. Because judge this versus this. What looks better? I assume that this view is a hell of a lot better than the other view. But of course now I'm bored because I'm looking here. So spectators whilst vlogging. Did you make this swing? Did you build this swing?
Yeah.
Did you make this?
Yeah. My friend made this.
He made it.
Yeah.
Great skill.
Yeah. Fun.
Thanks.
Mike.
There. You can be Harold approves.
Okay, so.
All right. Yeah, get in the tower. Get ready to come out and rescue a drowning Harold. So the reason I'm at this hotel, the only reason, is that there is a gym, and I wanted to stay at a different hotel, which is on the same beach actually. Wow, these waves are crazy. The currents here is just, there's just no way. He said yesterday, I mean, once you're out here, this is just gonna whisk you away, so don't leave the shallow water right here. But anyway, the reason I'm at this hotel is because I wanna stay at a, I've never seen anyone with a 9.8 rating in booking, but there is a hotel with a 9.8 rating, and it's right down there, but they're full. So I decided to come down here, and I also needed a little break because I've been going too hard with making 2 to 3 vlogs per day. I haven't uploaded them because of the poor internet connection I've been suffering with, but I felt myself, you know, breaking down just mentally, physically, faster than normal. And once you're in that state and you're agitated, you're just an unhappy person, you're not enjoying yourself. So I decided to come here and stay at this reasonable, at least for this area, reasonable hotel, and just eat, indulge in the buffet dinner a couple of times a day, go to the gym, and then I'm gonna get ready for my last 4 days here, where I'm just gonna go hardcore filming and produce the best vlogs that I possibly can. You need to be mentally on a high in order to do so. So anyway, this is the beach. I'm not gonna venture in any further now with this camera. It's not waterproof and all, but anyway, if you want to have a beach all to yourself, and this, I mean, stretches for miles down there, and there's the, actually in that direction is the national park. This way is a city called Yala. Then this during low season is incredible. Ah, I see you're ready. He's been sitting there watching me swim in case I fall on hard times. It's very strong, the waves.
Very strong, sir. Yeah.
It's too much for swimming.
Yeah, you can enjoy this shallow water.
What happens if you swim out? Are you just gonna be pulled out, or are you gonna be pulled sideways?
We will go sideways.
You will be going this way.
Yeah.
But
We check current condition, we check after we go in other place.
So would you be able to swim back into shore, or?
We know rip current, you know.
Yes.
We can cross that. Yeah, we can.
So now it's too dangerous.
Yeah, today strong you can, but you can enjoy this in here.
So what if I go out until the water is up here? Is no problem?
No problem. Yeah.
No problem. Okay, I'll put my camera back at the hotel, and then I'll come back and go for a swim. All right. See you then. Where's my the hat? And oh, it's here. All right. Much better. Harold approves. Thank you. See you later.
Yeah.
Waiting for customers,
Yeah.
but no customers.
Not now.
See you then. So there you have it. Even on this lonely beach, there are more lifeguards than there are customers. So in Sri Lanka, and this is the big difference with, as I've said in other videos, I came here expecting like a little mini India. In Sri Lanka, a lot of things such as this, the beach and whatnot, things are quite strict. There are rules that are actually followed everywhere. Now, some people like that, some people don't. Personal preference. So this is the way back to the resort. There you can see my porch, the very last one there, second last, where I started this video. But let's go back to the pool and see if my hamburger is ready.